Hello everyone, this is Catherine from my hillside garden. I would like some help. Here is my dill. I noticed this tonight while I was watering. I'm hoping I can get a close-up of this guy. I have never had or seen these before. And what they're doing is they're going inside the branches. See how they're trying not to shake it. How it actually did that. Pulled all that up. There's one over here. They're doing the same thing. It almost looks like they're making cocoon nests. Has anyone ever seen these before? If you have, leave me a comment in the box below. Let's see if I could get a better picture of him again. Maybe not. Alright, let's see. There we go. Maybe we could get him. Can you see him? If you know what he is, tell me if he's good or bad. And that way I'll know whether to get rid of him or not. Because it just seems to be, oh no, they're on the next dill plant too. There's some on this one, right next to it. Sorry for the jumbliness. Let's see, can we get up in there? See them? They're like pulling all that to make little cocoons or something. I've never seen this before. So, any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.